Bullish Chilliz, CHZ, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.383926 and $0.725193 by 2030. Market investigators accept CHZ could reach $0.298609 by 2025. Bearish Chilliz market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.068253. Chilliz, CHZ, presentation Chilliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered a restrictive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to drive its fan commitment stage, socios.com. Chilliz has organizations with probably the greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the pioneer and president of Chilliz. He has more than 20 years of involvement establishing and developing electronic organizations. Preceding sending off Chilliz, he established WebCity, an intuitive travel guide, and Winamax and Chilipoker, both web-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business person who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to upset the customary games industry. Since its send-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage, controlled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices by means of a portable application or web interface utilizing CHZ tokens. Fans can likewise buy elite product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's web-based business store. What is Chilliz, CHZ? The Chilliz stage was made fully intent on giving fans a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers prizes for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is as of now utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Chilliz is as of now worth $0.085317 United States dollars. CHZ has moved 1.28% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $71,891,572. Chilliz is as of now positioned 93 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $656,210,604 United States dollars. Using the overall strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity, MACD, from the graph above. We can decide cost designs for Chilliz, CHZ, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Chilliz, CHZ, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Forecast 2023. Chilliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, CHZ. The CHZ cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0.127989. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.119456 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of $0.102391. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Chilliz CHZ cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform $0.213315. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the CHZ's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.170652 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.187717. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Forecast 2025, assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.298641 and CHZ might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.273043 and a low of $0.255978 in 2025. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Chilliz effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2026. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.383966, with a base cost of $0.341303 and a typical cost of $0.358369. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.443694 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.426629 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, CHZ has a greatest value worth of $0.469292. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.529020. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.554618. Neglecting to assemble the help CHZ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.511955. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2029. While CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0.597281 and a yearly cost close above $0.639944 in 2029. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Chilliz will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.682607 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.725270, averaging out at $0.699672. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should do your own examination. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest CHZ cost in 2031 is projected to be $0.836193 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0.802063. And in general, we think Chilliz is an extremely encouraging task with a great deal of possibilities. The group has previously gained critical headway in developing its organizations and